So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to clear your browser cache. So in this video we are going to use Google Chrome. So if you want to clear your Google Chrome cache, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and just search for Chrome. So when you find Chrome, just use your finger to tap on it for long. After that, you're going to see app info and send to desktop. So you tap on this app info. So when you tap on app info, it's going to send you here. When you come here, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. So when you tap on storage and cache, this is where you're going to see your clear storage and also clear cache. So in order to clear your storage, you tap on clear storage, then you tap on free app space, or then you tap on OK, or you can tap on clear all data. So when you go back, what you have to do next is to just clear the cache. So when you go back, what you have to do is to just tap on the clear cache to clear all the cache. So as you can see, the cache has been cleared. So this is how to clear cache on your browser. So it's very simple and easy. It also makes your browser to move faster as it was. Do you get me? So if your browser is not moving fast, this is how to go about with it. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. Bye, peace. See you in my next one.